Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's see what the story is about. The name of the story is Cabby's Cat. Cabby had a little cat. Cabby's cat's name was Cutie. Cutie loved to wear a cap. Cutie loved to snuggle with Cabby on the couch. Once, Cutie lost her cap and was very sad. Cabby was worried about Cutie. So, Cabby helped her find her cap. The cap was under the couch. Cabby took out the cap and gave it to Cutie. Cutie wore the cap and was happy again. Thank you. If you want to see more phonical stories of all the letters, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.